my beautiful people. It's the one and only Lady Joy. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My correct people, my darling people, today matter now about our Edo actress. Una know say this life. They say if person dey happy, may we dey join them, they celebrate. When would they join them, they happy. You understand? Because this our Edo sister now, we just a boyfriend just buy brand new car for her. Hey, my darling people know. They say na man wey sabi, na him person they celebrate. Man wey sabi. Na woman they bring come out say na my boyfriend na be this one. When I say this our Edo sister now, this our Edo sister, very beautiful. Her name na Faustina, and this boyfriend just buy a car and she bring her come and say so that may we congratulate her. What are you waiting for, my darling people? Please congratulate my beautiful Edo actress. Congratulate her. I am so happy for you. Like seriously. They say if person they happy, maybe they happy with them. Not be only bad news. Person go they celebrate. Person go come they say after person go do meme, you come begin they say rest in peace. No, this one are happiness. It's not easy for person boyfriend to buy car for her. Now man where that's in woman wey sabi na man dey buy car for. Yeah, yes. Now be only to they make mouth for social media. Oh. Get better boyfriend. If they say more na get better boyfriend, do not go here. See this our sister now. Better guy. Now just buy this car for house. So more na congratulate her so that you if you know say if you follow person happy, God will still do your own for you. Now so the life just be. You understand? So then we follow her happy so that God will still do your own for you. You know? So I'm so happy for you, my sister. Oh, God will do your own. May God do the rest of us. Oh, you understand? I am so happy for you. Congratulations. Like seriously. More than join me, congratulate her because it's not easy for Bessie boyfriend to buy car for a woman. It's not really easy. Congratulations, my darling sister. I am so happy for you. I am so happy for you. Like seriously. I say if I not congratulate you, waiting again. I must congratulate you. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations. And congratulations not go cease for your house. And as he do buy this car for you, so the next one we will go see go be you're not gonna be boyfriend again. You can't be marriage. That's what it's supposed to be. Yeah. That's what it's supposed to be. If I tell you, shock them. Everybody go say, oh, they breathe there. You shock them, my sister. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations, Thank you. Please, my darling people, wanna join me. Congratulate her because it's not easy. You know, go my way sabi. Na a man they buy car for. I tell you, say movie, I don't
my baby doing? Yeah. How's my baby doing? She's fine now. She's fine. You want to come out? Never come out. This girl, they try me. Come check for her now. I'll check. They try me. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Say hello. Hi. Hello. Hi. We complete here. Oh. We complete all of us. We are here. This is okay. We are here. We are here. We are here. We are partying, my friend. Our friend. Our friend. Our brother. Our colleague. Raymond Peter. We are partying with him. Come and say hello. With your spectacle. Don't mind now. Say hello.
Okay, now you go call it. Eh? Now you go call it.
Hello. This Kevin Brown. Say hello.
Hello. Hello guys, how are you?
What am I doing? The one you promised me going back from there.
I see. I'll give you now. I want to block your channel.
Hey, Friday. Hello. Where your brother?
Yeah?
Oh, now you at the top. Your brother.
We don't come.
Why?
Now I don't know you're there. You're there.
Yeah, why they not give us shisha? Eh?
So now what type of teacher?
I should pay a British shisha now. They give us shisha. Pay a British shisha. Pay a British shisha. I know capable. Why you do that? And let me disgrace you on this live video. Go and British shisha, my friend. What's that?
They are all that.
Go and British shisha. Not be casket, I want shisha. They bring down Kevin Brown. They go if you be one. When Lucas not come, now Lucas if you be for all of them. Where Lucas? If you don't know where I see him, my director. Hey, I don't become.
Hey, yeah, what's up, man?
I was busy.
How you doing?
Come and say hello to my family. See my husband. We are getting married this month. 26th of this month is our wedding.
Yes,
This
yes.
comes. Yes.
26th is the main day.
I love you, baby.
Yeah, I greet you. So, come on. What can you got?
Now they are not even there around.
No, they are.
Thank you. Lucas not come. Hello, you don't come out. I don't know where. I mean, you travel. Come out. Come out, they go. Send me your account number. Send me your account number. I will call her for my last location. Last day. And if you go carry me. By Friday. I never see Vanessa. Who you do? Now I don't live before the I don't joke. You be call her? We see for location next 4 days ago. Yeah, wait. You know what? I mean, it's a joke. Maybe she'll push. I will write herself. Because when they play, she don't win. Oh, if you want me again, man, no me about going. Even with the spice, never come. Who never come? Vivian Spice. So you know it better. Very much. Be careful. It's black one. Vieron tu puede ganar, yo me metí.
Yes. Oh, it's your opinion.
Oh, someone will show us around. Let me show you guys.